Will the 2017 case of a missing Malvern mother go to trial? After years of no updates on the case, Chester County prosecutors announced an arrest in May. The suspect, the woman's husband, Alan Gould. He faces charges for the first-degree murder of his wife, Anna Maciejewska, and tampering of physical evidence. NBC 10's Miguel Martinez-Valle is live in Westchester with the very latest for us. Miguel?
Yeah, this is the second day of the preliminary hearing. The judge who's set to decide whether this goes to trial or not sometime today. He's heard from those family and friends of Maciejewska and also from the troopers who were in charge of this investigation. Now, the defense, of course, saying the whole case is based on assumption, but they still presented some of the evidence that they have today. The biggest challenge here, of course, is to date officials haven't found Anna Maciejewska or her remains. Chester County officials are accusing her husband, Alan Gould, of her murder, and in this preliminary hearing they tried providing other types of evidence. Family and friends saying while Anna was looking into divorce, she would never abandon her son, hasn't used her passport since disappearing, and never touched her savings. She was last seen March 28, 2017. The trooper assigned to her case saying in court her digital footprint basically stopped on March 29th, with Anna never answering calls, not showing up to work, and only occasionally communicating via text. The officer saying her husband was in possession of her phone and saying he thought it was a red flag that Gould reported her missing on April 12th, 2 days after he claims he last saw her and after others had already reported her missing. We also heard about some of the evidence police found after serving a search warrant in July 20th, 2017, including a human remains detection dog alerting officials to a spot in a yard and also in the trunk of Anna's blue Audi. Police saying they tested the car and found profiles for two people, one unidentifiable, the other being Gould, as well as found unidentifiable blood in the sink of the home. Again, the judge still has not announced the decision, but we do know that Gould's attorney has said in the past that after years of innuendo, Mr. Gould is looking forward to an opportunity to clear his name in court. Of course, we'll stand by with whether this is going to make it to trial. Send it back to you. I'm Miguel Martinez-Valle, NBC 10 News.